We are here at room 308 here at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, in the Homewood Suites by Hilton, East Hershey area in Swarta Township, Pennsylvania. That's the hallway down there, and then you pin over here. This is the end corner that goes right to the elevator, so we're going to get to that in a minute. We're going to be touring a little bit of room 308. Please note we're not going to be touring the left side because let's say we already have some guests that are already asleep, so we're going to respect their privacy and not go into that part of the room. Now this room's a little bit of a mess, so please bear it in the experience. So here we go. Obviously, as you can tell from the door, I have switched to the more traditional put your key up to the door. Rather than the traditional card style, you now just put your key and you just get into the room. So here we go. And we'll watch the door close. Nice flat slam. So obviously right here you have your peephole, and you can also cover up the peephole if you want to. So you cover it up like that. That's pretty good security. You have your latch. You have your deadbolt. There we go. Let me put this away for a second, guys. Then we're gonna go ride the elevators. Is this thing not locked? Oh, it's an automatic deadbolt. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so this is an automatic deadbolt. So this is the evacuation plan right here. Pause if you'd like to read it. And obviously this hotel is shaped like the letter U. So we're right here in room 308, and the elevators are just a quick way down the map, and they're two Otis Series 1, but we're going to ride them in a little bit. So we're actually going to take a look at this room for a brief second. I'm only staying here for one night, so we're not going to be here all night. So first you have the kitchenette, which comes fully equipped with a microwave. So you have the microwave in there. You can cook stuff there. That's my Snapchat going off. I forgot to put my phone on mute, guys. 1 second here. Put that on mute. Yeah, hold on. Is it on mute? There we go. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. That was my Snapchat going off. So yeah, this is the General Electric microwave. It's about 1132. You have your griddle, so you can cook stuff, which we're not cooking stuff again. We're only staying here for one night. You have your utensils, forks, knives, and as well as some other things as well. You have some pot. You have a pot to cook over the stove. Yep, some pot covers in here. You have some paper towels in here. You have also the garbage can and a fire extinguisher, which is very interesting. And then of course you have some more cabinets up here. Nothing up here. Also nothing up here. As well as some dishes, some cups, coffee mugs, a couple plates. Actually, let's get a much better look at that. And then on the right over here, you have a toaster, and it looks like some more pots as well, and it looks like some nice dish towels and stuff if you're looking to be here on a extended stay. Now this corner of the room right here looks to be very little space. It's not exactly ergonomical, but we'll get a quick view of it anyways. This is your wow, this is really tight. This is our clean and joy. To get this dishwasher open. Okay, so in here is the dishwasher, and it looks like there's some dishes in here. A couple of forks, a couple of knives. You got some coffee mugs, some pots and pans, all that great stuff. Again, would definitely recommend this hotel if you're here on a extended stay, but like I said, we're only here for about one night, and we're actually checking out pretty early too. So as you can see, you have a General Electric dishwasher. And then you pin over here, you have the fridge, which actually is a complimentary evening schedule for the hotel's daily menus. Probably this is for weekdays only, though. This is only for Monday through Thursday. They don't serve dinner on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. They only serve breakfast on those days, but again, you can see that they went with General Electric also for the fridge as well. So this is the freezer, which there's nothing inside, and as well as the fridge, which there's just some water bottles in there, nothing else. Pin over here to the table, you get a complimentary Wall Street Journal. That's a Cracker Barrel bag from when we were out at Cracker Barrel, and then there's a nice picture here. So nice, very nice kitchenette set up with the table right in the middle. So that's a nice little touch. But however, this space could be used a little bit better. I'm actually kind of disappointed that they didn't use this space very well. Okay, so pin over here. We're not going to go in that room. We may go in this room. I don't know yet. But pinning over here, you have the front desk here. There's a couple of things, guys. This is not how I wanted the room tour to be. So I'm trying to do my best here. So this is the desk. You have the Be at Home guide, which is pretty much just an introduction, hotel services and information. You have safety, transportation, and of course telephone information. And of course you have a Homewood Suites telephone right over here if you ever wanted to call like the front desk or something, or hotel reservations and stuff. And obviously over here you have an outlet and 2 USB, I believe 3.0 ports. I'm not 100% sure on that. So that is what's kind of cool. You have a climate controlled heat and air conditioning. You also have this very nice picture right here. So again, here's your climate controlled heat. It's a Honeywell heating and cooling system. Over here you have a LG flat screen TV. I'm not sure how many sizes that is, but we'll go ahead and turn this on really quickly, because I know you guys love to see TVs in these videos. And of course we're not going to keep it on due to copyright strike. So this is how to use the DVD player and to return to Cablevision. It looks like you have a Sony DVD player and a Sony, it looks like a Sony DVD player and Sony remote. Actually, let me just get a light for you guys on that. Hold on one second. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a light. A little bit of light going here. Hold on. Let's see if we get a nice little light going. There, you can see the Sony DVD player a little bit better. I'm just using my iPhone here, so it's not the best quality, but you can see the Sony DVD player and the Sony remote as well. So, there it is. Okay, and pinning over here, we got a couple of drawers to look at, which obviously again is used for extended stays. That doesn't sound good. Some more drawer space, obviously. Over here, you have curtains and stuff. And again, guys, this isn't the full room. This is only half of the room, but the other side of the room is identical. Over there, you can see the Hilton Garden Inn, another Homewood property. But that has ThyssenKrupp. This hotel is ThyssenKrupp, so it's nothing special. And trust me, that Hilton Garden isn't as nice as the one that we stayed at, a little bit further away. But this right here is the window in the main section of the room. Over here, let me move this crap over here for a second. You have a sleeper sofa. So a very nice touch at that, and of course, that's a nice sleeper sofa. Of course, you have a coffee table as well, so please power it in the belts there. Again, this is not how I wanted the room to be. Actually get a little bit of light going here. Why not? Why not, right? Make the sofa a little bit more presentable. There we go. Now that looks much better. So that is the sleeper sofa right there. Turn these off because I just wanted to show it for presenting purposes. And then of course we have 2 pictures right here. Okay, alright, so that's pretty much everything here. You know what, we're going to show this off. Just clean this up for 1 second. Let me just move this down here. So guys, there's going to be a little bit of stuff around, but again, that's not my fault. This isn't the way I wanted the room to be. So obviously this is the bed section of the room. Close that for a minute. So you have two standard twin, double, I think these are queen beds or double standard twin beds. That's a very nice touch. Lamps, obviously, you pin over here, you have a lamp. You have the Homewood Suites phone, which we decided to unplug. Obviously, you have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports that are being used, and some chargers, of course. So, that's another reason. Some more stuff lying around. Again, more drawers for storage. So, a very nice drawer. We'll actually get a view of this TV too. So again, same thing. It's an LG, but we'll turn it on quickly for you guys because you guys like seeing this stuff. So it's an LG, obviously. And of course, again, it's only a brief demonstration, so we're not going to go on with that. Over here you have the other window. Right over here. Pin over here. Again, these are the French doors that lock off the main room to our room. This area is a little bit messy, but I am going to try my best here. There's a couple of stuff out already, deodorant and stuff. You guys don't need to see that, but we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the sink really quickly. That's the sink. Obviously a closet if you're on an extended stay, some sheets for the sleeper sofa, some hangers, and some more comforters. Now again guys, I do apologize for the work, for the camera work in here, but I'm doing my very best, especially with the stuff I'm given. This is the light, and then right over here, we of course have the toilet, of course. So this is the shower, a little bit of mildew here. I mean, it's not a major complaint. I understand it's a little bit wear and tear, but that's something that should be resolved. I mean, especially for a Hilton property like this. The swim trunks are a little bit wet, and the shower was just used, so this ain't going to be the best video. But I am going to try my best here. Hold on. Shower pressure is surprisingly very good, given the fact that this is a very old hotel. I'm trying my best here not to get my camera wet. This is the shower itself. It's pretty basic, a pretty basic tub and shower combo. The swim trunks are still a little bit wet because we actually did go swimming, so I'm not trying to show off any swim trunks or anything like that. And a nice mural and a nice little painting in the bathroom too. It's a nice little touch. Oh, and of course, can't forget the most important part about the bathroom, the AKA commode. This is for all my toilet fans on my channel. This is I don't know what kind of commode this is, but you all toilet fans can comment. Oh wait, it's an Austenite. So toilet fans, this one's for you. Alright, and that would be the commode, so we're going to exit the bathroom now. Alright guys, turn off the light here. And this is actually a sliding closet, believe it or not. Oh, you can slide it both ways, and there's more space in there obviously, so that's that pretty much. Alright guys, hello, look who you see. Alright guys, so that is a room tour of room number 308 here at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, East Hershey in Swarta Township, Pennsylvania, guys. Thank you so much for watching this hotel tour, and that is it. I mean, room tour, and that's it.